Elevate your property value. Premier NR Janitorial floor care services across Missouri and Illinois. Picture this. A customer walks into your store. Their eyes drop straight to the floor. A spotless surface says your business runs smooth and cares about details. But a dull or dirty one? It screams neglect. Clean floors shape first looks for shops, offices, and hospitals. They build trust and keep people safe from slips. In busy spots like Missouri and Illinois, where feet pound paths all day, top-notch floor care matters big time. NR Janitorial steps in as your go-to team. We handle floor cleaning services throughout Missouri and Illinois. From St. Louis streets to Springfield spots, our crews cover it all. We bring full packages that fit any building need. Think bright lobbies or tough warehouse grounds. Our work boosts your place's look and worth. Our team tackles VCT floors that see heavy traffic. We also shine natural stone, like marble. Concrete gets a deep scrub without harm. Carpets lift stains that hide deep. Hardwood stays polished and strong. One clean-all method, it ruins finishes and wastes cash. We match tools to your setup. This keeps colors pop and surfaces tough. Clean homes and businesses lift your space's appeal and stretch its years. NR Janitorial delivers that edge across Missouri and Illinois. From tile shines to carpet freshens, we handle it all. Safety rises. Costs drop. Impressions stick. Ready for a change? Schedule your free floor check today. Contact NR Janitorial now. Let's make your property gleam.